In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay yourself in QuickBooks Online. If you're a business owner and you want to take money out of your business properly, it's important to record that payment the right way in QuickBooks. This helps keep your books clean and makes it easier to understand what's actually happening in your business finances. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up the correct account and then how to record your owner's draw step by step. First, you'll want to create an owner's equity account if you haven't already done that. This account is used to track money you take out of the business for yourself. Instead of treating it like a regular business expense, QuickBooks should record it under equity, which gives you a more accurate picture of your company's financial activity. To do this, go to the settings icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online, and then select Chart of Accounts. Once you're there, click New to create a new account. For the account type, choose Equity. Then for the detail type, select Owner's Equity or Partner's Equity if that better fits your business structure. After that, give the account a clear name such as Owner's Draw so it's easy to recognize later. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Now that the account is in place, the next step is to record the actual payment or draw. This is the part you'll use whenever you transfer money from your business bank account to yourself. Recording it correctly ensures the withdrawal is tracked properly and doesn't get confused with payroll or business expenses. Click the plus new button in QuickBooks and then choose Transfer. In the Transfer Funds, from field select your business checking account or whichever business bank account the money is coming out of. In the Transfer Funds to field, choose the owner's equity account you just created. Then enter the amount you withdrew, along with the date of the transaction. Once all the details are entered, click Save and Close. And that's it. You've now recorded paying yourself in QuickBooks Online using an owner's draw. A helpful tip is to stay consistent with this method each time you take money out so your records remain accurate and easy to review. Keeping personal withdrawals separate from business expenses is one of the simplest ways to maintain cleaner bookkeeping. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.